But wife of Shah Jahan, she died before the Taj Mahal. She died before the started. She died 1630, central part of India, Burhanpur, below 39, birth of 14 children. She has 14 kids. After the 14 kids, she looks like a beautiful lady. When she died on childbirth, number 14. When she died, her husband not be there. Her husband will be busy to another part of India to campaign for the army. When she died, her husband get the message she no more. The man is a very disappointed. He directly come back to Agra. He just call emergency meeting to the parliament. He disclosed for the news, I lost my wife, but I decide myself I'm not going to be married again. Just he give the order, go and bring the dead body. Between the time, Shah Jahan choose the place, talk to the people and the chief architect and the craftsman and the finance minister. Everything will be settled. When the body will be reached in Agra, first of all bury the body from this ground, then start the structures about this building. So she never knows before she died. But why Shah Jahan choose this place to build the Taj all over India? Reason, because Shah Jahan and a queen, both they met here before the marriage. Before the marriage, king and the queen, both they met here. That's why he built the Taj from here. So this is a symbol of love. This is a love temple. This is the very good understanding between the wife and the husband. Her husband started to build this Taj 1631. 1631, it is made in a white marble. White marble, this is called Indian Mines marble, place called Makrana in Rajasthan. Makrana, this is the name of the place, state on Rajasthan. Makrana, far from Agra, 450 kilometers. 450 kilometers, such a long way, because during the time, the transportation by the marble by animal, by the blow cut, camel cut, elephant, donkeys, horse, they bring some big rocks of marble from Makrana to Agra. And the next is said, do you know how to cut the marble? This is the totally done by hand. This is called diamond saw. Because this marble, this is the second hardest stone in the world after the diamond and the granite also too. Actually, the marble is a two places are very famous part of the world. One are India, second from Italy. Italian marble, this is called alabaster, like a Carrara marble. Carrara is a very soft stone, easy to break it. Secondly, this marble, if you can be used as a chopping board, they can't get scratch. Because this is the crystal marble, this is a non-porous. This is the second hardest stone after the diamond and the granite also too. Secondly, for the building of the Taj Mahal, this is the highly decorated to use in a big piece of jewelry stone, like a precious stone and a semi-precious stone, like a emerald, ruby, sapphire, diamond and a star of India. Rest of the stone, they call semi-precious stone to be inlaid. Semi-precious stone, some of the stone from India, some of the overseas also too. One of the biggest diamond in the world, originally from the Taj Mahal, this is called Kohinoor diamond. But now the Kohinoor from England, Museum of Queen Elizabeth from England. But now the diamond from England. Secondly, almost the valuable stones are stolen by Hindu king. Secondly, we would like to have a look at the two buildings between the Taj. One on the eastern side of the Taj, one on the western side of the Taj. Actually, the western side of the Taj, this is the most important part of the Taj because this is a mosque. Mosque they use on Friday. Friday, holiday for the Muslim people. So Muslim people, they come to here, they pray for the namaz to worship. Because Taj Mahal, it is a free on Friday. But now our government, they changed the procedure. Now the Taj is closed on Friday, no free. But Taj must be open in a 2 hours between the time of the prayer. Only the Muslim people, they come to here, they pray for the namaz to worship. And this side of building, just for the balance, symmetrical, nobody can use right now. During the Mughal time, this building they use as a royal guest room. This is called Jamaat Khana. Number more people, they stay in one place, Muslim they call Jamaat Khana. Secondly, we would like to have a look at the beauty of Taj. Look on the center building to be Taj without the 4 towers, without the 4 minarets. Look on the main mausoleum. Shape of the mausoleum, this is called octagon shape, 8 corners. So center building of Taj looks like a model of crown because Lady of Crown, she is buried exactly in a center chamber of the Taj Mahal. Secondly, would like to have a look at each of the corners. There's a 4 minarets, each minaret slightly little out, not on a 90 degree. slightly out. Reason, suppose the minerals will be break any time, any condition, maybe an earthquake, they fall from this direction. So main building is not damaged by the minarets, and each of the minarets there's a revolving stair inside. But now nobody can allow to go to up because this is the close for the safety point of view. Secondly, shall I guess what is the height of the Taj Mahal? 243 feet. 243 feet into by meter, 81 meter. Include the piece of pinnacle on the top. Piece of pinnacle on the top, there's a half of the moon over there. This is the symbol of Islamic. Do you know what is the height of the piece of pinnacle on the top? Looks very small. But this is a 10 meter, 30 feet, 10 meter. And half of the moon, this is the symbol of Islamic. Originally the piece of pinnacle they made on a yellow gold, but the gold they are stolen by Hindu king, Maharaja Surajmal Jat. So the piece of pinnacle they made on a bronze, which are be gifted by Lord Curzon, 1909, by the British Viceroy, English man. So whole the building will be finished 1653, 1631 to 1653. 22 years to build, 20,000 people. All the people they belong from Persia, Iran, under the supervision, chief architect of the Taj. This is called Ustad Isa Effendi. Effendi, this is the title from Turkey. But hold the pattern, hold the design which have been used in the Taj Mahal, even a garden also. This is the fourth part of the garden known called Char Bagh. Because hold the pattern they took from the carpet. Hold the design, the copy from the carpet. Reason number one, because Agra is a very famous place of the carpet before the Mughal king, before the Mughal dynasty. So everybody that took the design from the carpet is planning to be here. Secondly, Shah Jahan is also buried inside. Only the things which are unsymmetrical to be Taj Mahal, tomb of Emperor Shah Jahan. Why? Reason, because Shah Jahan is going to be planning, he started to build another Taj Mahal, black one, memory himself. But Black Taj is not finished. When he started to build on a Black Taj Mahal, he arrested by his son in Agra Fort last 8 years. That's why Shah Jahan is also buried inside the Taj. So wife and husband, king and the queen, both buried inside the Taj. So shall I walk from this way? So everybody's understand my briefing?
Yes.